Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. If you're new here, this is Taste Test Tuesday, and this is a channel where I taste test vegan products every Tuesday. I just wanted to quickly apologize if you're hearing any weird noises in the background. We ended up turning the aircon on, ovens on as well, preheating, and it happened to be a really hot day. I think it got to 40 degrees today. So yeah, the aircon's over there. You can still hear it, but it's useless to me in the kitchen with an oven on. Anyway, it doesn't matter. I've got my trusty fan. We are going to taste test a product that I have never tried, but the brand, I've tried other products of theirs and I really, really love them. So I'm super excited. But before we do that, roll that intro, Eddie. My intro. Okay, so today we are trying crispy tenders. We are trying 7-grain crispy tenders. Juicy chicken breaded with wholesome grains including oats, quinoa and millet. There you go, guys, for your viewing pleasure. Alright, let's get this bad boy open. I didn't tell you what I was going to do today. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to make some chicken parma sliders, and I'm just going to chuck them on top of a salad. So you could put them in a wrap. I think you could do a lot of things with them. But here we go. Interesting. Not really a smell. But I'm just going to show you. So in terms of size, on my hand, it's about half my hand, just a little bit under. It's a nice little size. Yeah, so I might end up putting 2 of these in the sliders. Let's see how many come in a packet. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wow, it's full. I wasn't expecting this. I really wasn't expecting this many. Oh my gosh. That's a lot. I was so excited when I saw these Woolies. I was just like, yes, Gardein, you are making my life happy. Gardein, you have some awesome products. So I've got high hopes for this. Pretty excited. I might have to just go to the other Woolies and let my regular Woolies know that I want this product in our Woolies. Okay, so this is going to take a while to cook if you cook them straight from frozen. So, well, there is a short on time section which you can take up, which is put them in the microwave for 45 seconds on high, and then you can cook them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in the microwave on 45 seconds on high, and I'm gonna put 5 in the air fryer and 5 in the oven. And then when they're close to being done, the ones in the oven, I will put some mature cheddar style slices and some homemade sugo, and then I will put them in this and eat, of course. Okay, so I put them in 45 seconds on high in the microwave. They look exactly the same. Ooh, now they've taken on a bit of a smell, a bit of a chickeny smell. Alright, so I said I was going to put 5 in the oven. So I've just pre-oiled this with a little bit. 5, I don't think it's, you know what, because I'm only going to put 2 in each one, so I'm not going to put 5. I'll put 4 in the oven, and then 6 in the air fryer. Okay, so in the air fryer I'm going to put it in at 200 for 10 minutes, and in the oven I'm going to put it in at 180 for 8 minutes and check on it. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, recording. Okay, so the air fryer is about to finish. 2, 1, ding. Okay, let's have a quick look at these. Don't they look delicious? They smell even better. Like, they really do have a super nice smell to them. Alright, so these are the ones I decided to put on top of a salad. So these are a really cute shape. So you could essentially put these in a wrap if you wanted to. And I'm just gonna put 2 on the side just to try on their own. I'm gonna take out the ones from the oven and make them into a Parmigiana now, and then chuck them into the oven and then try this stuff while that's getting done. This here. So these are a slightly different cooking, if you can see. I don't know if you can see. These seem a lot crispier, and they seem really less crispy. Homemade sugo, slow cooked. Actually, that's what I wanted to mention, that the crumbing on these, when you turn them, breaks quite easily. So just be aware of that. Do you turn them once? So I did turn them once off camera. So yeah, I think 1 slice will be enough. Oh, hot. It's actually really hot today. I'm not even kidding. Okay, that's what I need. Now we'll put these back in the oven. Okay, we'll let them in for a little bit. Let's just top this salad off with a bit of
sriracha
that we got from our show bag at World Vegan Day, and some veganese from Follow Your Heart. Alright, so put that there. Let's try this one first. So just plain and simple. Oh. So just plain and simple. Let's see what this tastes like. Alright. Okay, it's got a nice bend, but the crumbing's a bit, look, it's coming off. Ooh, crispy. These were vegan, weren't they? Are you sure? I swear I checked, but let me just double check. Yeah. Yeah, they're vegan. They're vegan. They taste exactly like chicken. Everything about it tastes exactly like chicken, like that stringiness from the chicken, the flavor, like, I just don't know what to say. Gardein, you've done it again. Like, seriously, what is going, like, maybe they're all tricking us. They're telling us it's vegan and it's not. This is crazy. Oh, oven. It's all good. Okay, I'll leave this for Eddie. You can eat off camera, so you might heat crunch it. Now the salad. All right.
What?
I know, it's ridiculous. I wasn't playing up to the camera. Like, I'm serious when I literally thought, is this meat or what? Alright, so it's just a simple salad. There's nothing special going on here. There's a lot of mayo on this, but I love mayo. Yeah. I recommend these however you want to have them. Like this on top of a salad on their own. I reckon a wrap would actually be super good. It'd be a really nice lunch. I reckon they're... Do you think they've got a lot of protein in it? I don't know. I wonder what the health star rating on them was. I should get the packet again, but I'm eating. Okay, so I believe this is now going to be another Gardein product that I will be consuming quite regularly. This is so nice, and 8 to 10 minutes in an air fryer, like that's a joke. I'm going to check the oven now. Alright, the sliders we're making very basic. Just like that. I think that the cheese and the sugar is enough flavor. You don't need to add any more. And then we've got a nice ciabatta bread. So I'm gonna put 2 in there. 1 in, ooh, that can be Eddie's. Oh, that's definitely Eddie's. He's giving me the evil eye. And if you haven't already seen my cheese taste test Tuesday, I did a couple of their products. That's a really good one. I really enjoyed making it. I'll put the link up, maybe down or up. I don't know. Maybe in the description. Or maybe I'll pop it up here. I don't even know how this stuff works, so we'll work it out. Let's just eat, because that's the most important part of what this is. Okay, so now I'm just gonna eat it. Like, I feel like I'm really making fun of this whole thing. Like, I'm just gonna eat. It's gonna love this. Gardein, I don't know what kind of sorcery you're doing in your factory, but your shit is good. Like, so good. Like, you nail each flavor, each texture, and it's so convenient to just put in the fridge and to cook. Freezer, sorry. But yeah, like, if you don't have these in your freezer, you are truly missing out. Like, these are awesome last minute meals, even snacks. So good. So I had a really delicious taste test Tuesday today. If you enjoyed my video, great. I hope you have an awesome week, and if you're in Australia, stay cool. If you can remember to put out like a couple of containers with water for all the wildlife, birds and stuff, that'll also be really nice, because they also suffer quite a bit in this heat. So just be mindful of that, and I'll see you next week. Bye. So good.